Okay, now let's introduce some spare accessories presented with the machine. First of all, there is a pack of non-woven fabrics. Can be used to wipe the nozzle. Then with some connectors. If there is any damage on the ink path, use this connector to connect it. There are also some 3-tube transferring connection valve. Seven types of connectors and plugs. And then there's the ink tube clamp. You can make the ink tube firmer. This is the clamp for the water pipe on the UV lamp. This is the nozzle fixing screw. This is the gasket with the fixing screw. These are also the screws that hold the nozzle in place. And here, this bag is the nozzle of a plasma processor. There are different models. It can be replaced according to the different materials. This is the nozzle, which will be customized according to the customer's quantity. 10 heads or 5 heads. This is the connecting cable of the nozzle. Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable from the main board to the computer. This is a 5mm filter. It is specially used to adjust the negative pressure. Also gave some needles for cleaning the nozzle. Nozzle repair solution. The liquid fluid is used to unblock clogged channels. This is a large and small screwdriver and in a hexagon. This is the ink pump. The USB stick contains our printing software and tutorial videos. This is the dongle for RIP software. This is a metal rod for earthing. If the power supply is not grounded, then you can let it ground the machine through it. Stainless steel plate. These are moisturizing cotton inside, which are used to maintain the nozzle. There is also a PC board, which needs to be installed in the computer before it can be connected to the machine. This is a photo of the spare parts that came with the machine.